Kota Kinabalu, a small city near the seaside located at North Borneo Island, offers various fresh seafood. Sometimes you can get fresh wild sea shrimps at the local market at a very affordable price. During the last Ramadan, when we had iftar at Imago shopping mall, we stumbled on this gacha ball machine which offered this cute cat with prawns or shrimp. Ebinyang Figa. Before we left for 2-night staycation at the seaside, Momo just gave birth to 3 kittens, but luckily they're still not yet weaning from breast milk, so we can leave them with its mother. These kittens are named after the Orion constellations. For this year, Eidul-Fitri Eid Mubarak festive season, we head on to the same staycation place as last year, which is SULAP Rantau in Kampung Piteru Laut, facing the Bahku Island. The evening that we arrived is a new moon and the low tide is not as significant, so we searched the shrimps after dinner near the seaside only. Fortunately, even just searching for shrimps at the seashore, it can still keep the children very busy for hours searching for marine animals that they can harvest. At 9 p.m. at Kota Kinabalu hours, we can see the night sky filled with stars. You can pinpoint the Orion constellation easily, which is at the same direction of the sunset. The children were really happy that they caught so many shrimps this night.
Ini nabah. Konten bangku.
Aku tak tahu tadi. Aku nak agak kamu. Aku tu kan ni. Aku buat pergi luar tu, cuci di luar tu.
After spending few hours at night searching for shrimps, everyone feels hungry, so we cook instant noodle, include these fresh shrimps. The next morning is the first day of the Eid Mubarak festive season, so we cook the leftover shrimps for kuah lodeh.
Ni lemang nak buka. Lemang.
The second evening low tide is much more lower than the previous day, so looking more favorable to catch shrimp, much easier than last night. Papa's hubby also got very lucky. He can catch mantis shrimp while it was swimming by just using a net, just few meters away from our place that we stayed. Everyone got a much larger catch than the previous night. The children also observed that there are several varieties of prawns or shrimps living by this seaside. Several varieties of shrimps, mantis shrimp, and also lobsters from this harvest. For breakfast, the next day, we cooked the shrimps into carbonara pasta. Ryan also found some clams in front of our staycation accommodation.